Hey, I just received my Leak Smart Snap system to detect leaks in the home, so no more floods. This is the beginner kit right here that comes with the valve to shut it off, the hub, and 3 sensors. I also got extra sensors, 5 extra sensors, and then 2 Sense Extend kits, which turns a sensor using a rope extension to sense the water, and you can put multiple ones on there. I have multiple rope sensors here and a range extender for a whole kit to protect the house right there. What I liked about this kit is a typical homeowner can install it. It's not difficult. It goes right on to your valve and shuts it off, and also is connected to apps on your phone that gives you the ability to know when it detects a leak and it is going to shut your water off. It's an awesome system. So here's everything in the kit right here. This is a valve that goes right onto your ball valve for your thing. Comes with all the accessories, even a battery backup to go with it. Here is the hub, which all of these sensors connect to. Here is a sensor that lays on the ground that senses. Everything comes with its own batteries. The hub, you download an app and it goes to your phone. Okay, on there, multiple sensors. This is a neat thing, this sensor extend, which basically not only can you use a sensor that lays on the ground and senses like that, but this takes one of those sensors, goes into here and connects multiple wires into the bottom right there, and this rope right here senses water up to 4 feet. So you can take that and lay it along the floor, such as under your refrigerator and other items, so you can get a multiple lengths, and for multiple appliances you can connect 3 into there. So we have extra ones right here and extensions to add to those to cover everything you need. So this is an awesome kit, and it's all you can do it yourself. Don't need a plumber. Average homeowner can do it for a reasonable price and not have damage like I had.